right, coming back. Sophia, what were our times?
Don Michelle's time was 6.04, and Josh's was 5.61.
Okay, so we're going to go with Josh's just since he was faster. So here's what we're going to do. Now, I need to tell you from last hour, I measured that distance, and that distance that we ran was 124 feet. So we have 124 feet in 5.61 seconds. Now the question is, an honest question, just the other weekend we ran the Chicago Marathon here in Chicago.
Oh, my uncle ran it. I was in it.
The Chicago Marathoners run, about 12 miles an hour, and they finish the race in just over 2 hours. So, I understand Josh was running extremely fast. Do you think he was faster or slower than the marathoners? I would think. But I'm assuming he can't keep that pace up for 26 miles. But just for the sake of it, if he could, he'd be $1 million winner because he could win the marathon and get that prize money and give it to the Academy to build something awesome. All right. All right, so here we go. We got to keep going here. So what we're going to do is we're going to first convert and get rid of the feet. So I have a feet on the top. So remember, I'm going to multiply by feet, and that's going to be on the bottom. And I'm going to have 1 mile on the top. Now, I need to get rid of the seconds in the next step. So seconds is on the bottom right now. So where does it need to be on the next part? How many seconds per minute? Again, 60 seconds per minute. And then lastly, I need to get rid of the minutes. Minutes is now on the bottom. So to cancel those, minutes needs to be on the top. How many minutes per hour? 60. 60. So let's do our multiplying. 124 times 1 times 60 times 60. We'll cancel in a sec. I get 400. Someone check me on that. My minutes canceled, my seconds canceled, my feet canceled. And on the bottom, 5.61 times 5280. 29620.8. So we should be able to divide these. 400 divided by 29620.8. And what should that give us? That's his speed, right? So how fast was he running?
15.
So was he running faster than a marathoner? Yes, he was. So his speed to the nearest tenth, 15.1 miles per hour.
That's probably the speed of the guys that won it.
The speed of the guys that won it was maybe 12 and a half. But they had to run it for 26 miles.
They're taller than how long the legs.